Hello traders, welcome back to my channel. This is Trading View platform Euro USD pair 2 hours market. So today I will explain what is support and what is resistance. In our previous sessions I already explained what is ranging market, what is trendy market, how we can recognize it's a uptrend market already started, when we can recognize it's a downtrend market started, and what's the channel movement, how we can draw a channel in an uptrend market, how we can draw in a channel in the downtrend market. All the things I already explained in our previous video. Today I will give some knowledge about support and resistance level by horizontal line. So we have two types of support and resistance level, by horizontal line and by trend line. So this is the trend line. So today I will explain how we draw a support level by horizontal line. Okay, from a very perfect. First of all, what we have to do, there are so many levels here. This is a level, this is a level, this is level, this is level, this is level, level. So which one is a support level and which one is a very strong support level? We can trust that level. This is the main thing. So first of all, we always try to draw from the body part. Suppose there is a support level. So when we can call it's a support level. So this is the rejection point. This one below point, this one market got rejected from here. After that buyers entered in the market. So this is an area. So market got rejected from here. This is an area we can call it's a buyers area. So from where buyers enter in the market, this is called the buyers area, and from this point, that means from this closing point, market close, this bearish candle close at this area. After that buyers again enter from the in the market from this area. So that's why we can call this is the closing price of this bearish candle and opening price of this bullish candle. This is the support. So if anybody want to draw buyers enter from here, this one, so we can call this one as a support. No, it's not right. First of all, bearish candle close here, then bullish candle start from here and goes up. That means we can call now it's a support level, and market got rejected from this level. That means this is the area we can call it's a buyer's area. So we can call it's a support. So if we observe here, what we see, market goes up from this same level 2 times. So there is a pattern here. I will explain about this pattern. Trend reversal setup here. Okay, but this is not our today's topics. I am explaining today just all the very basic concept. That means how we can draw a support. So this is the support, and we can call it's a this area. It's a buyer's area, buyer's entry point area. After that buyers enter in the market and goes up. So we can draw like this from the when this bearish candle close, after that bullish candle start and close above. That means after bearish then bullish candle. So this area we can call it a support. All these are very basic concept for the very beginners. Slowly I will try to give all the deep knowledge. So now this is the support point. So market got rejected from this area, buyers area. After that market goes up. So that's why we can call it's a support level, and we can call it's a strong support level, because first time market goes up from here, again market came here, again market goes up. So when market create any basement here, after that market started to going up very strongly, So that time more possibility from this strong buyer's entry point area, market create trend. So this is the 2 hours market, every candlestick. So every candlestick 2 hours. So previously it was downtrend market. So market when came here, it trying to make a basement here, and market first time goes up from this level, and it already created here a support. Why support? After this bearish candle, bullish candle entered in the market. That means buyers enter in the market and goes up. That's why it's a support. Again market came back to this support level. Why it's a support? Because after bearish candle, buyers enter from here. Again market came here. After came this area, buyers again entered in the market and turned the market to the upward direction. That's why we can call it's a support level. So this is the perfect support. So we can call this one support, and this is the buyers area. So but if we tell that now it's a support, it's not right, because there is no bearish candlestick here. After bearish candle, if market goes up, that time we can call it a support. So same thing for the resistance level. Okay, I'm showing here. Okay, this is the point. From this point, after closing of this candle, next candle again fall down. So this is the rejection point. So this area we can call it's a seller's area and it's a resistance. So when we can call it's a resistance, market exactly close here. That means buyers entered in the market and close here. After this buyers, sellers again entered in the market and turned the market to the downward direction and got rejected from this above level. That's why we can call it's a resistance. So if we want to know little deeply, so that time if we observe the previous history of the market, so we will get this situation from the same area, from the same level. Okay, little above here, I think, yes. So from the same level, when market exactly close at this level, sellers enter. So previously buyers got rejected from the same area previously here. After that, it buyers, after this bullish candle, sellers entered in the market and turned the market to the downward direction. This is the first point. When market again came back to this area, that means these buyers exactly close at the sellers area. Here this was previously resistance level. Why resistance level? After closing of this bullish candle, sellers entered in the market and turned the market to the downward direction. That's why it's a resistance. So when market again came back to this area, so more possibility market may fall down from here. Why? Because market already created several waves to the same direction, and market already, it was uptrend previously, and finally when market came back to this area, it's a strong sellers area, because it's a trend starting point. After these buyers, sellers entered in the market, pull back again, sellers again, so it's a trend starting point. And same area, market again came back to the same area. After came back to this area, sellers got rejected little bit. After that, market fall down from this sellers entry point area. That's why we can call it's a sellers area, or we can call it's a resistance level. So by this way we can draw a perfect resistance level. So this is a sellers entry point level, and this is the seller sitting area, and this is, we can call this is a resistance level. We can call buyer's entry point area, buyer sitting area, and we can call it's a buyer's area, buyer's zone, and we can call support. Each and every terms, all are same terms. So this is the resistance, this is the support. We can draw easily by this way resistance level, and this way support level. So how we can place our trade, it's totally different thing. I will explain slowly, but we need to know first how we can draw a support level, a resistance level. So see here, again market came back to this area, the resistance area. That's why market got rejected from here. Now we can easily make some sense that what may happen here. So it totally deep knowledge, how we can handle this type of sellers area, how we can handle when market came back to this area, buyers area, how we can handle this type of buyers area. It's a deeper knowledge. So at this stage I will not explain these things, but slowly I will try to explain all this concept, when we can start and when we have to stop, go out from the market, that means exit, when, what is our exit point and what is our start point. So I will explain step by step. So just today's I only explaining what is support and how we can draw a support level by horizontal line, what is resistance and how we can draw a resistance level by horizontal line. So I am providing forex course. If anybody want to learn all the forex knowledge deeply, contact me by video description. This is all about today's topics. Thanks for watching my videos.